Hi, welcome to another episode of Military Spouse Monday. I'm your host, Bryan Bergjans, and I'm joined by my two special guests, Rick Bettencourt and John Bell.
What are we going to talk about today?
All right,
what are we going to talk about today? Let's do it.
In case you don't know about the show, this is where I ask our two panel experts here hardball questions coming from the military spouse community. And they have not seen these questions, So here we go. All right, here we go. We will be looking to buy a house soon, and I want to start by getting a pre-approval for our VA loan. My question is, can or should we shop around for a loan officer?
Oh, without a doubt. One of the most important pieces of that process is actually shopping around for a mortgage professional, one, interviewing your mortgage professional, two, identifying how much VA, how often they work with VA, how familiar they are with the VA guidelines. And then to coincide and dovetail off that, they got to get at least 3 estimates from different lenders, look at loan estimates and fees, and then compare and shop, because statistically speaking, people spend more time shopping for a motor vehicle than they do their own home loan.
Sure.
So it's without a doubt the most important piece, and don't let anybody else tell you different.
John?
Well, I think the second piece of that is a realtor or a real estate agent that's also familiar with the process, right? So you want to make sure that your lender and your realtor or real estate agent are in sync. They know about VA loans, they know about different types of lending, they're going to give you a lot of options, they're able to answer your questions, but most importantly, you got to feel comfortable with these individuals. This is a 30-day, 60-day process. In some cases, depending upon you finding the right home for you, it could take up to 6 months. You want to make sure that you're comfortable with the people that you're doing this transaction with. So make sure that you are.
So absolutely shop.
Well, absolutely shop. And then to the point, we talk about this all the time, having a real estate partner and a loan officer or mortgage company that understands the process and the challenges and what's going on, active duty versus veteran, all that stuff will make for a seamless transaction.
Yep.
And you need to have that up front.
I mean, let's be honest, only about 12 years ago, there was only about 250,000 VA originations in a given year, right? So there wasn't a lot of people doing VA at the time, and there's still not a lot doing because our underutilization ratio. So definitely interview your LOs, get a good quality real estate professional that works in sync with the loan officer, and shop your loan.
Yeah, the one thing we do know is the VA process works. And it works every day, 2,500 loans a day. We've got lenders, realtors out there that do this day in and day out. So that part is going to work for you. The part that we can't put a number on is whether or not you're comfortable in the people that you're doing business with. So make sure you are.
So very important.
Fantastic.